hitting. It's hitting. What's poppin'? What's good? It's your girl Mommy Tiff, and I am back again with another video. What is up, you guys? I am so excited because today is going to be the first day ever that I'm going to be doing a cook with me, a cooking tutorial, cooking mama, Mommy Tiff edition, okay? So today I want to cook my version of shrimp fried rice. Now, so some of you may be watching this and you're like, Tiffany, this is not the way my mother makes shrimp fried rice. And that's okay because this is not your mom's channel, it's mine. Pause if this is your first time ever seeing my face or clicking on this video, sweetie, subscribe, because we make really silly, dope, cool, and funny videos on this channel, so why wouldn't you? And if you are loving the energy and the vibes that I'm giving you, you know, hit me with a like. And if you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, feel free to comment them down below. Alright, without further ado, let's dive into the video. Okay, so the main two things you're going to need for this recipe is a cup of rice. I just have this plain long grain rice. Sometimes I use jasmine rice. And you're gonna also need this unthawed, already pre-cooked $5 shrimp, girl. Yes, I said $5 shrimp, okay? Girl, go over to Walmart, get you a nice little $5 shrimp, okay? I'm trying to put y'all on right now, so, you know, don't let it pass you. Okay, so aside from the two main parts of the dish, you're going to need soy sauce, sesame seed oil, onion powder, garlic, butter, chives, parsley, and cilantro. And today what I'm going to be cooking my food in is this lovely wok. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is drizzle some sesame seed oil into the wok. Okay, so when you first smell the sesame seed oil, you're going to be like, Tiffany, why does it smell like I'm burning my house down? Sweetie, relax, okay? I don't know why, but it just gives off this very toasty sensation. I don't know, guys. When you cook with it, you'll understand what I'm saying. So after coating the wok in sesame seed oil, I'm going to immediately add in some minced fresh garlic. Okay, if you do not have minced garlic in your fridge, sweetie, I don't know what you're doing. You're just not succeeding in life.
That is not correct.
And you need to go to the store and go get it immediately because this is a lifesaver and it lasts so long and it's just so much easier than having to cut up garlic like, child, no. Okay, so now let's get into the fun stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and add in my rice, drizzle some soy sauce over it. I go about like 2 times. I do a nice drizzle. Now y'all, it is up to your own personal preference how much soy sauce you actually want to use because soy sauce can be very salty. Bruh. Like you really don't want to use too much of this, so you know, drizzle at your own risk. So go ahead, toss the rice around, make sure that your rice is fully coated, fully touched. I don't know, guys, I'm still working on my Food Network terms, but essentially you just want to make sure your rice is all one even brown color throughout. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and add in the shrimpies, sprinkle in the onion powder, and then throw in the diced up chives, parsley, and cilantro. And then go ahead and stir up all your ingredients, you know, and once all your ingredients are mixed pretty well, just let it sit, let it simmer, let the herbs sink into the dish. Give it like a minute or two.
minutes later.
Okay, after those 2 minutes, you want to go back to your food and add in 2 tablespoons of butter. The butter will go ahead and add moisture back into the rice. So soy sauce is really gonna dry out the rice because it has so much salt and so much sodium in it. So adding in the butter is going to bring that rice a little bit back to life. And if you want, you can go ahead and add some more sesame seed oil if you feel like it's still not where it needs to be. Stir up your food one more again, let that butter melt, and then go ahead, take another 2-minute break.
5 minutes later.
All right, y'all, it's serving time. Yummy, yeah. Ugh, look at that. It's so yummy. All right, y'all, let's see what it's tasting like. It's hitting. It's hitting. You have finally reached the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this little cook with me, cooking mama, Mami Tiff edition, okay? And if you guys want me to make more cooking videos, please comment down below any recipes or dishes you guys want to see me make. Or if you just want to see more cooking videos of recipes that I already have, go ahead, comment down below, sweetie, comment down below. But as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys.